Namaste. I am Madhu Perivaram. How are you doing today? I hope you are all healthy and safe during these testing times and that you have practiced all the yoga poses which we have learned in last couple of weeks. Today I will be showing you Surya Namaskar, which is a combination of various yoga poses we have learned earlier. It's a complete cycle of many poses and we will repeat the same cycle at least for half a dozen times. If you don't get time to do the warm-up exercises and various yoga poses which you learned, just do at least half a dozen Surya Namaskar in a day and that will keep you fit and all your joints and muscles flexible. Now I'll show you some exercises for strengthening the core to strengthen your abdominal muscles. First we will do some planks. Okay, planks are like we are doing the push-ups and the push-up positions we have to hold for as much as possible. There is frontal planks as well as sideways planks. First we will do the forward plank. In that position you have to stay at least for 90 seconds. Don't try to overdo that. 90 seconds is more than enough. Now let's do some crunches. Crunches are actually for tightening your abs or the abdominal muscles. So there are different types of crunches. We'll do it one by one. Now let's do some hip raises. For this you have to lie on your back and keep your hands on the side for support and lift your legs upwards. This you have to repeat for 10 times. Now let's do some cycling. In this you will be lying down and doing the cycling movements with your feet. Okay. There is another exercise for the abdomen. In this you will be lying on your back and actually you will be touching your palm on the ground and lifting both your upper body as well as your feet, and all the pressure will be coming on your stomach. This will help to reduce your belly. Next one is a forward crunch. You have to lie down on your back looking at the ceiling and hold your head with your hands and lift your upper body, and your elbows should touch on your knees. That's how you will be doing it. When you are bending forward, you will be exhaling as usual. The only issue for this exercise is that somebody has to hold your feet, or you have to lock your feet on a furniture like under a table or under a sofa or something like that. Otherwise, you cannot get the lift to lift your upper body. That's the only issue with this exercise. Let's get another one for the abs. Just watch. This you can repeat for 50 seconds. The next one is more or less similar, but you will be lifting your upper body and twisting your stomach to the sides. Next one is called scissor crunch. In this you will be lying down on your back looking at the ceiling and keep your legs straight and moving it up and down like the movements of a scissors. This also for strengthening your ab muscles. with this episode, I will be concluding my yoga sessions. I hope you have learned enough exercises to keep yourself fit. Now the lockdown is almost over and everything is opening up. So keep yourself fit and healthy and be happy always. Wish you all the best. Thank you.